Hello, my cardboard brethren and sistren, coming back at you with video number 2 of our 18-19 Donruss basketball, box opening in the background here, hunting for our friends Luka, Trae Young. Video 1 was quite successful, got actually one of each of them, so I'm going to just jump right in today with video number 2. Probably go for 4 packs today, just because I think we can go a little bit faster than we were going last time. And hopefully we'll, get just as lucky as we were before and keep the run going. I did a pretty good breakdown in the first video of, kind of why I'm going through and doing these right now, where I think the value is. I think especially kind of with all of the volatility in the stock market going on, in the last week or so, I think that's going to continue on for a while. Unfortunately, I see, in the next couple of weeks, a good chance that card values will probably drop. I mean, the stock market's already off about 20-30% from its highest point. I see, cards haven't moved that much yet, but I do think that, pretty soon that's going to hit in the card market as well, which, kind of makes this interesting because I am doing this, as I mentioned before, really kind of hunting for Trae Young and Luka, cards that are in good enough shape to get PSA 10s out of. And we all know how long it takes PSA to return cards these days. So I do see that even though there could be a decent drop in, card values in the short term, I think by this time next year at the very latest, we'll kind of be back to where we are today, if not a little bit higher. I think the excitement around the market with more people getting into it really is kind of jumping up quite a bit. I think by the time these cards come back from PSA, hopefully we'll get some 10s and, be able to sell them for a decent profit. All right, so pack number 1, as I was kind of talking there, ultimately did not get a Luka or a Trae. So let's go on to pack number 2. And like I said in the first video, getting 7 rookies per pack here. So you get 84 per box, which is pretty decent considering there's only a 50 card checklist for the rookies. So, in all honesty, the chances of getting, either one, you're definitely almost certainly going to get 1 Luka and Trae per box. Very good chance of getting 2. I mean, even just the first 3 packs I opened the other day, there was a duplicate of one of the rated rookies I kind of saw after I was looking back through the cards afterwards and kind of organizing it all. So, the possibility of getting multiples are very high and, probably almost likely considering the number of cards that you're going to be getting in each of these. So with that said, hopefully this pack will bring us, got Svi in the first day, so maybe we can see, I think a Trae was in that pack. Let's see if they run together. Hopefully. If not, got a Grayson Allen, the hated Duke man. Zaire Smith. Okay, so not here, but maybe pack number 3 will bring us some luck. I apologize. I know opening these packs kind of creates quite a bit of noise in the background. I'll try and do it a little bit further away from the camera today. All right, let's run through the base. And again, like I said the other day, good chance that most of these end up going for sale at some point along the line. So if you see anything that you like, or if you kind of want to possibly get a full set of all of the cards for one of your favorite teams, just kind of reach out to, ooh, wow, this is nice. Kind of wish that, maybe a little bit of a higher rookie here, but Bruce Brown, 15 out of 15. That is a nice short print rated rookie. Let's get this bad boy sleeved up. I forget if this is called like the red, blue, or maybe just blue laser, but that is a nice little short printed card. And like I said in the video number 1, really all I'm looking for out of these is to kind of get the value back by doing some PSA submissions with Trae and Luka, but all the rest of these cards are kind of just, extra money for me is what I'm expecting. So that's a cool little card to be pulling. And got a nice little green yellow laser, D'Angelo Russell, Devontae Graham, Shai Gilgeous, a little bit of a dimple on the top there. So I was looking over the Luka and Traes from the first video, and unfortunately it looked like the backs got a little bit scratched up, so probably won't be submitting those, probably just be selling those raw. Again, if anybody's interested in them, kind of reach out to me. I always prefer to sell outside of eBay where possible to kind of save that 10% fee, but I'm sure we can work out something if you're interested in the cards. And And DeAndre Ayton, #1 pick from last year. It's a decent set. We'll go for one more pack today, and we'll kind of finish out that box on the next video. Try and keep these in the 6, 7, 8 minute range, just so it doesn't take up too much of your time. And again, kind of quickly run through the base. I'm not even going to flip them because, we've all seen these cards before. They've been around for over a year now. I'm sure that you guys are more interested in just the rookies popping out of here. And, these inserts are actually kind of fun. I know there's a lot of cards in them, but, we'll see how well we do pulling together most of those sets too, kind of through these 3 boxes. All right, Aaron Holiday, Gary Trent Jr. All right, what do we think, guys? Are we going to get one? Hey, just as I was saying it, got ourselves a Luka. Let me quickly sleeve that bad boy, just so there's no chance of it getting scratched after I pull it out of the box here. Again, I'm actually surprised. I feel like as I was looking online the other day, a lot of the raw cards looked like they weren't all that well centered. This one looks pretty decent. Top, bottom, side. Not too bad. So I'll have to, again, give this a nice little look over, see surfaces and corners and everything. But hey, Luka #2 from box #1. This is always a good thing. It's already basically halfway to what I was kind of expecting the full 3-box run to give us. So maybe we'll end up with a bunch more. I always like it when things work out above my base case when I kind of build out these, projections for what I might be getting out of these packs. All right, so we are 2 days in to our pack opening here to see what we can get. We're adding another Luka to the stash, up to 3. See if we can get a PSA 10 out of any of these bad boys. I'll be posting the next video with the rest of this box #1, in the next couple days. But until then, keep ripping some packs. Stay safe out there, everybody.